All right, so we're going to help our merchant set up the variable price barcode parser using this label here. We want to start with an app called variable price barcode parser. Here it is. And we want to make sure that our configuration is complete and that app is ready for use. To do this part, you'd go to settings, accessibility, and you would turn on the variable price barcode parser. The service is right there. And then you'd go to the inventory app and you want to search. So we're going to use 2 followed by 3 zeros and 1 9. Do 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 9. I actually already have an item like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and reconfigure it. I'm going to put it into variable mode and I'm going to change the name to Swiss. Like that. So I have an item and the product code entered. There we go. Now I can just go to the register app and hit save here. And then I can just scan this barcode. It picks it up as Swiss for $2.96. And if the scanning with the scanner doesn't work, I can also do like a camera scan. And then I can just scan the barcode against. There we go. And you'd get the same result, $2.96.